What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update about the PGV, aka Diamond Bot Pro. Okay, guys, what money is doing or scamming fraud that is doing is disturbing. Okay, it's because I don't know what to call it, but he's been rugging or slowly rugging since January. Okay, so he's been delaying the refunds, delay since January. So February, March, April, May, and 2 days we're gonna be in June, right? And he just come up with million of excuses. Today this, today there, this is happening, that's happening, and people are falling into it. Okay, people are still in hope that money will refund people. Okay, what he's doing is disturbing. He just should have called it off. He just should have said, okay, guys, I don't have the funds. I don't know what happened to the funds. The funds are gone. So game over. Goodbye. Okay, that's it. Shut down the Discord group, shut down everything, and everybody should move on because essentially that's what's happening. Okay, he rugged long time ago, or the funds are gone to somewhere long time ago. He has no funds to pay anybody, and he just coming up with excuses and excuses, and you know nothing's going to happen. And a more disturbing thing is investors still falling for it. And lately Money came up with his Diamond Bot Pro, and essentially he said, do not invest, only sign up, register your wallet, and submit a ticket and wait for your refund. Okay, but some investors they started to invest in these plans. Okay, they started to invest in these plans in order to hoping to get some money, right? But hey, guys, this is not for you to invest, right? This is just a distraction. But apparently it seems like some investors decided to invest in these plans right here. I'm like, damn, how dumb can you be? Sorry, guys, if I'm offending you. How dumb can you be, guys? Do not invest in this project, okay? Because there is no funds in the back of this project, because this website does not have a smart contract, okay? Does not have a smart contract, and the figures that you will see on your dashboard are fictitious, okay? You might see 1 million bucks in your dashboard, but that doesn't mean there is funds in a smart contract that will back up your 1 million bucks in your dashboard. Okay, you could have 1 million bucks in the dashboard, but if there is no funds in a TVL and a smart contract to back up your fictitious funds, essentially you have no funds. Okay, so that means money is playing you out. Okay, so you put your wallet address and then you manually will add funds to your dashboard, so it will elude you, make you think that you have funds, and all you got to do is request those funds and you will get the refund, but essentially nothing will happen. Okay, and another thing is so money, he turned off new account registrations. Okay, he also turned off access to deposit funds to prior PGV users. Okay, because people have been depositing into the platform. Okay, and he says he will send those funds back to users' wallet that made the deposits tomorrow. Okay, we shall see. We shall see about that. Okay, and he also says, I also looked through many support tickets. There have been many disturbing messages received from prior PGV users. Money, excuse me, God, excuse me, man, but you are disturbing. You are the disturbed guy because, you have been postponing those refunds for months, guys, eluding people that you will send the funds to their wallets, but it just never happens, okay? It just never happens. So, the disturbing messages, led money to make the decision to not allow prior PGV members to deposit in my project, which is Diamond Bot Pro, okay, which is essentially, we all know that's money behind the scenes because this project has been created on the 26th of May, okay, guys. So there is nobody rocking with this project, okay, guys. Nobody's rocking with that project. So this is just a bunch of crap. But again, guys, refund timing, nothing has changed. Okay, read messages above. Okay, so everybody should get paid by Saturday. Yeah, like I said on my previous video. Okay, so let's go over to the PGV rant and let's laugh a little bit. Okay, because this is crazy. This is crazy, right? Even though I posted my video over here so people can see and really understand how a hype project works, okay, seems like majority of the people in this chat still have hope that something will happen. Okay, so a guy here says the platform is not allowing me to register. Okay, so you clearly haven't read the latest announcement. Okay, I received after more than 90 hours. Okay, so somebody has received virtual funds. Like I said to you guys, you might see some figures on your dashboard, but that does not mean that you will get the money, because if there is no money, you're not going to get paid. All right, so money can put any figures on your dashboard, but if there is no money in the back to back up those figures, essentially that means nothing. Okay, so this guy is still in hope, still saying, oh, I sent my ticket a few days ago, but still haven't seen my virtual funds. Just wait a few more days and money will post your virtual funds. But yeah, like it says right here, virtual funds. That doesn't mean those funds actually exist. All right. So if you haven't watched my video, go and watch my video right there. Okay, where I explain how this hype project works. Okay. What else? What else we got here? There was another one. It's just crazy. Like people are debating which wallet to select. Okay, because when you have to add your wallet, people are debating which wallet should I enter, which wallet, and which currency. I was like, I've got a really good currency for you guys. The currency that you should choose is the SF USD. Okay, essentially it's this currency right here, stable fund USDC currency. That's the currency that you should select when you are choosing the currency to receive your funds. So what I'm saying is, when you come over here, select the gateway, you got a few options right here: Bitcoin, Ethereum, BUSD, USDT, ERC20, TRC20, etc. Okay, so the stable coin that you should select is the SFUSD. So it's the stable fund USD, or stable fund stable coin. Okay, why? Because it's a rug. Okay, it's a ruggy coin and it's worth nothing. Okay, it's worth nothing, and that's what you're going to receive from this Diamond Bot Pro. Nothing. Okay, because nothing, it will happen. Okay, so if you're still in doubts which coin you should select, select the stable fund USD coin. Okay, because you are going to receive nothing. Okay, so see right here, $1 and then went to below zero. That's what happened with PGV. The funds were in the millions, and then all of a sudden, boom, zero. And once it goes to zero, the funds are vanished. That means investors will not receive a single penny. Okay, again, guys, so, excuse me, select the SFUSD coin in order for you to receive your payment. Okay, and as you can see right there, we also have the PGV token, which I'm not aware of. I'm going to do some digging about the PGV token, but apparently we have the PGV token. Okay, guys, and this PGV rant is just ridiculous, okay? And it just shows that money tactic it's working, because people shifted from uh, cursing money and calling him names and etc. to uh, is Diamond Bot Pro. Okay, so people no longer talking about money, but they are actually talking about the Diamond Bot Pro, submitted tickets, virtual funds, and which currency, etc. Okay, guys, so it just clearly shows that money tactic is working. Okay, because nobody right here is talking about money, etc. Okay, guys, they all in talking about tickets, which gateway currency should I select, virtual funds, etc. Okay, guys. So if you are one of these guys, I feel sorry for you, because you just over here trying your best to get your funds, but you know, like I've been saying for you for many months, there is no funds, so there is no refunds, and there will be not refunds. So today it's the Tuesday. Okay, so 3 more days will be Saturday, 4 more days will be Saturday, and another excuse will come up. And like I said to you, PGV announcements. So seems like money is MIA. So MIA. So why Money's friend would be running this Diamond Pro bot when um Man is supposed to be the one running it. Okay, it does not make sense. It does not make sense. And also, why the only members that we have on this Diamond Bot Pro TG group are PGV members. No one else is here. Okay, and why these supposedly Diamond Bot Pro Money's friend project doesn't have a group chat where people can talk about projects, right? you know, we all know that money's behind the scenes, so it's all good. But yeah, guys, the currency that you should select is stable fund USD, right? So that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up. This is just, I don't know, this is like a telenovela, guys. So you all that are on PGV rant are being fooled, and you are just, playing the game, right? So you're playing the game, but essentially nothing will happen. So that being said, guys, I'm going to give you an update on Saturday, because I'm pretty sure there will be another announcement on Saturday in regards to why the refunds are going to be delayed once more. Peace.